What's up everybody, Zan here, and today we're gonna be unpacking and putting together almost a complete Stuckey set. I got two hair lights, I got a glue gun, and I have a mini light. Let's start with the glue gun. So all of these Stuckey products has its own batteries. Stuckey uses its own batteries. Boom, it's in. You can see, turn it on. You can set the power here. Green light says the glue gun is working. Here you can see how much you have left. USB. Perfect. So this battery, I think it should last 5 to 6 hours. I'll test it and let you guys know. But the same battery will feature headlight as well. On headlight, I think it goes around 6 hours. Still, don't take my word for it because I yet have to test them. I just got them. I'm opening these things up with you. So you can set the temperature here, super hot, medium low, off. Let's do the mini light. I got this custom mini light. It's custom made from back hydro dip. It's really nice. Amazing work. It has the protection here so you don't scratch your car while using it. Let's put it together. So you either have an option to plug this in the middle or on the side. It's however you prefer your mini light. I think I'm gonna go with the side one for now. Nope. Put it in a bit more. I don't want to break it. Okay, let's try now. Sorry car, I hope I don't break this thing. Perfect. Suction cup. Damn, it's sucking also my hand. This is really strong suction cup. Look at this. Ah, got my hand. So this one also has its own battery. It's a smaller one. So the glue gun and the headlight uses the same battery. This one has its own smaller battery. This is how it fits in. Perfect. Again, thank you Stuckey for this because it looks so nice. Big headlights here, but before we put them together, I just want to put the stands together. So what I have here are the DNE stands. Those are great stands for a great price. There we go, stand assembled. This stand is really well made. It's from DNE Pro Dent Tools from Ukraine. It's really nice made. The welds are nice. It's really light, not too light, but light, which is just the perfect weight. You can put your lights really high if you need to. I don't know if you can see this, but it goes really high. Also, a thing I like right here, it has a special holder for the cable, but we won't be needing this luckily now because Stuckey's lights have battery inside, no more cable. This is the thing that I'm most excited about, is no more cable. Let's put the never loose on. Putting the never loose on is as easy as 1, 2, 3. If you have this one, yes, stuck it on, screw it down, oops, that's it. We will also need to put the never loose, the second part, on the Stuckey leg. For those of you who don't know what the never loose is, this is a attachment. Inside is a magnet. So when you plug it in, you can rotate any direction you want just by turning the light. It's going to stay there. Putting never loose on a Stuckey light is really easy. 2 screws to unscrew, put this on, screw it back on, and ready to go. Boom, done. Let's put it on. So, any way you want it, in a matter of seconds. Boom, 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 boom. Let's turn it on. Boom. We have the dimmer in the back. Off. On. Maximum strength. Let's turn on all of the lights. There we go. It has 6 LEDs. Every LED its own button. You can use it however you want. This would be my setup. The never loose holds. First time you use it, it might be a little bit off, not holding right, but when you use it for a while, just rotate it, it's gonna grab as it should. Okay? See, much better already. There we go. Okay. So before I go, I just quickly want to say that these stands you can get in multiple colors. I know they have blue, black one, the yellow one, and I think they have a red one. The lights, you can also have different colors. The reason I took green and a black stand because this match as well, and this green is going to go lovely with my TDN tool card, the Monster Edition. To get this off, you're going to get this with each never loose. All you need to do is stick it here, boom, and it's off. If you want to pack it in your car, in your bag, whatever you want to do, put it on, you can work, put it off, pack it away. So guys, if you want a similar setup, reach out to Stuckey and DNE Pro Dent Tools. This you can find at Carbon Tech. Carbon Tech makes the never looses, and of course the TDN card. These are all great companies. They're really great to do business with. I highly recommend them all. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe and share. Thanks guys.